Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name red color, yellow color, dark green color, blue color, black color, light green color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers and shapes. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, the alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for a ball, B for a bat, the alphabets of B, and use yellow color. Kids neither C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use dark green color. Kids neither D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D, and use blue color. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use black color. Kids now draw numbers, and firstly draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color. O N E 1. Kids neither 2, the numbers of 2, and use yellow color. The numbers of 2. Kids neither 3, the numbers of 3, and use the numbers of 3, and use dark green color. T H R W 3. Kids neither 4, the numbers of 4, and use blue color. F O U R 4. Kids neither 5, the numbers of 5, and use black color. F I V E5, the numbers of 5. Kids now draw shapes, and first we draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use red color, the shape of triangle, circle, the shape of circle, and again use red color, kids night heart, the shape of heart, and use yellow color, the shape of heart. Kids night Easter, the shape of Easter, and again use yellow color, kids night of pentagon, the shape of pentagon, and use blue color, kids night a circle, square, the shape of square, and again use blue color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.